Subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button for latest notifications. A very great morning to all my dear students. My name is Rajneesh and I welcome to you all once again for the online classes on Master G Rajneesh Tyagi. Dear students, I must tell you, please give your answers in the comment box, and then I can come to know that you all the students are taking interest on the for the online classes. Well, we are going to begin the next paragraph of the day. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evenings was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandfather for his bath, and the grandfather given him a large bowl of the water to the Toto for because of his bath. He would cunningly test the temperature with his hand, and he also try to know the temperature of that hot water, then gradually step into the bath, then slowly he took the steps into the bath, firstly 1 foot and then the other, as he had seen me doing, and the other parts of his body, first step, second step, and then finally went to the bath until he was into the water up to his neck. Once comfortable, he was very comfort when he was when he was not under the water. uh, but he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself all over. He rubbed his body all over. He was taking a proper bath that time. When the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. And when the water became cold, the temperature went down of the water. He came out from that bath and went to the kitchen, ran away to the kitchen to dry himself. If anyone laughed at him during this performance, Toto's feelings would be hurt. If you will laugh and if you will make fun of that monkey that time in that situation, then definitely you are going to hurt the feelings of that monkey or that Toto. And he would refuse to go on with his bath. One day, Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive, and one day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. Once upon a time, that it was also happening with the Toto. He never knew the temperature of the hot water, and he was going to get the entry there. And similarly, you can understand he was very close to boil himself itself. Okay, dear students, it was the explanation of the day. Now I tell you in Hindi. A great treat for Toto during cold winters. एक शाम की बात होती है जब दादाजी अपने मंकी को शाम के वक्त नहलाने के लिए ले जाते हैं, और एक गर्म पानी का बाउल उसको दिया जाता है। तो गर्म पानी के बाउल को वो बहुत डर डर के चेक करता है अपने हाथ से कि बहुत गर्म तो नहीं है, मैं जल तो नहीं जाऊंगा। धीरे धीरे वो एक एक स्टेप लेकर के पानी के अंदर जाता है, फिर पूरी तरह पानी में चला जाता है। तब तक वो कंफर्ट रहता है जब तक उसकी गर्दन पानी के अंदर नहीं रहती, लेकिन उसके बाद वो बहुत कंफर्ट तरीके से नहाता है, अपने आप को सोप लगाता है, अपनी बॉडी को रब करता है अच्छे से। नहाने के बाद जैसे पानी ठंडा हो जाता है तो फिर वहाँ से तुरंत भाग जाता है किचन में, ठीक है। और किचन में भागता है, वहाँ पे फायरवुड के आगे सामने बैठ जाता है, अपने आप को सुखा लेता है। हाँ, इस दौरान अगर आपने उसका मजाक बनाया या उस पर हंस गए तो आप सीधे सीधे टोटो की फीलिंग्स को हर्ट कर रहे हैं, वो बुरा मान जाएगा। और एक बार ऐसा हुआ भी था, टोटो नहाने के चक्कर में अपने आप को लगभग जला बैठा था, क्योंकि पानी इतना गर्म था कि लगभग वो बॉयल होने वाला था। खैर, That was the explanation of the day, dear students. Please give your answers in the comment box properly. Okay, and till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.